just brought my guitar, my aluminum guitar home from reducing a lot of this material that was on the inside of the body to get the weight down. Originally it was about 11.2 pounds. Then I created all these pockets in here and made everything deeper and thinner, which brought it down to about 9.8 pounds. And then I finished removing all this material on these pieces along with the top pieces to get it down to a final assembled weight of 6.8 pounds, just the body, which is not bad. So with the neck and all the hardware, it should weigh about 8 or 9 pounds, I'm guessing. And I just wanted to show how it goes together. The main module, along with all the bottom pieces, have holes in the sides so they can be bolted to these ribs that are left right here. So what you do is you take a couple of these dowel pins and put them in here so the pieces line up perfectly, like that. They can't move up or down, left or right, sideways. They're in a fixed position. That was mainly so that all the body pieces would be flat on the bottom and everything would stay nice and flat and true. And I just put, there's 4 632 flathead bolts in here with lock nuts that hold both sides of the body together. So the other side pins together exactly the same way. This one has to get put in the body first. Just like that. Alright, so now the bottom of the body is one piece. Now I can add the top. These dowel pins have to stay in because there's no way for them to come out. So each body top plate is assembled the same way. So I could show that these holes right here are threaded 632, and these are through holes from the back side. So you just set that on there aligned with the dowel pins, and you drop in 632 bolts. And because of the contour for your body, I had to use a countersunk socket head bolt in this one, which is not a big deal at all. So there's the top piece assembled. Now it's time for electronics. Was that the whole electronics cluster can stay in one piece. You just start the pickup in here, like that, like that, and this is a clearance channel for the wires, obviously, to dump into the electronics compartment. Just kind of set all the guts in here. Make sure the wires go in the channel, just like that. Plenty of room. Make sure that's got enough slack so it's not yanking on the pickups. Drop in the pickup bolts, the pickup cage bolts, I guess, or input jack. So nice to be able to keep the electronics all together. I don't have to cut a single wire to take this apart and put it back together. I just kind of lay this here and start all the switches. That. Get them all started. And tighten them out. Being very careful not to scratch my hours of aluminum polishing. Just like that. Throw some more 632s in here. There's the main of the electronics. Strap lock button. .632 flathead also. Or socket head, I'm sorry. Now I can put the bridge posts in, and I leave them about 75 thou off the top of the body, which is about right for the action. And stop tailpiece bolts. Those can go all the way down. Then, when I took the neck off, I left all the strings on. So just hook the stop tailpiece again. Set the neck in the pocket. Put the neck bolts in. Volume knob on. Tone on. And that's it. Tighten up the strings, tune it up. It took me 40 minutes total.